This year I wanna play some music. Même si m'allais dans New York City, dans pays m'a tourné, m'allais Montréal, Canada, qui côté m'a. Dans pays m'a tourné, Haïti c'est la belle des Antilles. C'est là pour tout tourisme prend plaisir. Diaspora coule dans tout pays. Y'a des centres qui côté bassin blé. Même si n'allais qui côté n'a tourné. Dans le pays m'a tourné, pas semblé, qui côté m'sorti. Dans le pays m'a tourné, alright.
The ultimate Haiti experience is really about bringing Haitian Americans and other people to Haiti to experience Haiti on a more personal level. Obviously, we want to take them to the beautiful touristic and historic sites, but more importantly, we want them to interact with the people, interact with the environment here, and see what we as Haitian Americans who love Haiti love about it, and for them to sort of have an attraction and affinity for the country. There's nothing like coming someplace and feeling like people are waiting for you, people are happy about your arrival.
Why did you guys feel the need to do this?
I think it's because all of us sort of had a small addiction for the country. We've all been coming as small children. We love it, and people tend to look at you like, what do you like about it? You know, they see all these negative things in the news on a regular basis about Haiti. So when you come back from a trip and you're like, I can't wait to go to Haiti, I can't wait to move to Haiti, and you're tired of Haiti. So many people were looking at us like we were crazy, and we were like, you know what? We need to start bringing our friends and family, especially those of our friends who are Haitian American and have never experienced Haiti on that level or experienced Haiti as adults. We were like, it's sort of like unfair to not let them see what we love about this country so much. So there was no time like the present than to just gather all these people and help them experience Haiti on a personal level.
I'm so grateful to be part of this group, the Ultimate Haiti Experience Group. This is the first time traveling with a group of professionals to this great country. We had the opportunity to visit different parts of this country. Different parts of Haiti that I've never visited, especially the Bassin Bleu. The Bassin Bleu was a trip in itself in terms of like needing to get to the falls. I would say any Haitian American or Americans or anyone that's in the States, any parts of the world, to come to Haiti, explore Haiti. It has so much to offer. We are not a country that we're poor, but we have so much to offer everyone across this world.
Best coconut I ever tasted.
Just be here.